Good morning, this is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. I'm outside of an apartment. I'm going to show a client. I'm waiting on them and just wanted to show you what's going on across the street. They're replacing a thatch roof. So this is how they do it. These guys crawl all over the roof like monkeys and putting on new thatch roofs. This is the time of the year when everybody does it. Getting ready for the rainy season to start in May. But last night we had a substantial amount of rain at the end of February, which is bizarre. I don't think I've ever seen it rain here in February. But yeah, just wanted to show you the process of them replacing a thatch roof. They tie it all down and make it all super secure. But it's a lot of work for these guys. I love my life. Come join me.